Hello, hamsters. This is Terry from the Hemp Out Agency. Today I just wanted to give you a little quick top 20 reasons why I love hemp and why I'm going to keep telling you to eat it. There's so many health benefits, and the girls have just basically demised a list for you. We're going to give you our top 20 reasons why you want to incorporate hemp seed into your diet, or even a hemp oil or a hemp protein, hemp milk, hemp butter. You definitely want to get this ruddy little nut. It's a powerful little seed that's packed with so much nutritional value. So here we go, our reasons why you want to incorporate hemp seed into your day. It improves brain function. Oh yes, it does. It reduces risk of heart disease. It contains chlorophyll, which is ideal for blood cleansing. It's also an anti-carcinogenic, high antioxidants. Bada bing, a powerful cancer prevention. It aids in weight loss and improves our blood sugar health, ideal for diabetics. It improves the joint comfort, the joint function. It helps reduce the inflammation in the body. It also improves our hair, our skin, our nails. Betters our cholesterol profile. The doctors love that. Relieves that normal cranky PMS symptom. Yes, it's normal because us women go through it almost every month. It boosts our immune system so we're stronger. We can combat any flu or cold out there. It improves our mood. Yes, it does. Because of the essential fatty acids, it helps to regulate our hormone balance, and we love happy hemp moods. Arthritic conditions, chronic pain. It detoxifies our body. Yes, it does. Our liver and our colons love the hemp seed profile. It actually, one of my favorites, it helps to burn fat and it does help to build muscle. That being said, incorporate hemp protein into your day after a workout, before a workout's ideal. It also improves the blood circulation. It lowers the blood pressure. It helps any skin disorder, whether it be acne, eczema, rosacea. You can apply even the oil on topically. You can do a hot oil treatment. Don't heat up the oil, just keep it in there. Massage it into your scalp. Put the towel on and sleep with it. You're going to wake up with gorgeous, silky, shiny hair. It also improves digestion. So that's just the top 20 that the girls have rounded up, and I just wanted to share it with you why we love our hemp. So all in all, that's it. Go get yourself a pound of hemp seed and start hemping out with it. We love you, hempsters. Have a great day.